Okay.
4
Perimeter of square
4
is
into
equal
square.
to everybody 4 into square.
4 into side. 4 into side.
Thank you.
4 into
No.
side.
4 into
4
side.
into 4.
Side. 4 into
16 is the answer.
60.
Okay. Perimeter of a square is 4 into sides, correct? By now we all know this, correct? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I'm going to ask one very simple question. Okay. If total perimeter, which is total of all sides, right? Okay. I'm using the word total
Yes.
because I want you all to remember this word, what I'm saying. Total of all sides. Listen carefully. Total of all sides. Okay. So, if the perimeter of a square, what did I say?
Total.
Perimeter. Perimeter means total of all sides. Perimeter of a square is equal to 16. Then what is the measure
Yes.
of one side?
Ma'am, 4 divided by 16. 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4
Wow, correct. 16 divided by 4.
equals 4.
Very good. Okay,
Yes.
how many of you did not understand this logic? Subhan, you did not understand, right?
Understood.
You understood?
Yes.
So I want you to explain what we did. Chalo, explain.
Ma'am, first you have written perimeter of a square. Then you have written measurement of only one side.
Hmm.
Then here it is 4 into sides, no? And the answer is 16. So we
Answer
did
for what is
16.
16? Answer
16
for what?
divided
Shh, Dave. When someone starts talking,
perimeter.
start listening. Answer of what is 16?
Perimeter of square.
Perimeter. Okay, fine. Aage.
Then we did 16 into 4. Then 16 divided by 4 is 4.
Why did we do 16 divided by 4?
To find the measurement of one side.
To find the measure of one side.
Simple logic. Perimeter of a square. मतलब अगर मैं यहाँ से start करूँ, तो when I go fully like this full coverage will be the perimeter, correct? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
if the total is 16, because it's a square, it's quicker to find out. Why it is quicker to find out? Because all sides are equal. Correct? Yes or
Yes.
no? All sides are equal.
Yes.
That is why it is easy to find
Yes.
out by this division formula. Correct?
Mhm.
Yes? Because straight away when you divide it by 4,
Yes.
you will get one side. Okay, that's good. I understand that now you all have understood. Now I'm going to tell you something very simple. I did not tell it right at the start for some reason, but I'm going to tell it now. Okay? Now listen very carefully. Now this is a triangle, right? This is a triangle. Okay?
Yes.
This is a rectangle, right?
Yes.
This is a square. Okay? Basically, the perimeter is, if we started, stop that noise, please. Okay. If we started from this point A in the triangle, the perimeter would be the distance we will cover by walking this whole side. Am I correct? Yes, that is the perimeter. That's why we are adding this plus this plus this. This plus this plus this plus this, correct? So if I started walking from here and I have to come back to the same place, that means I'll walk from here to here, here to here, here to here, and back here. This distance that I cover from start coming back to that same start point, that is the perimeter, correct? That's why we add all sides. So basically, अगर हम
Yes.
इसको यहाँ से straight कर देते, तो total distance वही रहेगा. समझ में आ रहा है और am I confusing?
Hi.
Yeah, if I just straightened this and made it a straight line, the distance will still be the same.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Now, in a rectangle as well, the perimeter will be, if I started walking from this point A, all this entire distance. Suppose this was a swimming pool. Okay, suppose this was a swimming pool. I want to put up lights along the edges of the swimming pool. Okay, suppose this is a swimming pool and I want to put up lights, light, okay, tar wala light, along the edges of the swimming pool. What distance will I take? Start from one point, मैं लेते जाऊंगी उसका measure यहाँ से इधर से back to this place. So this much of wire I will need to light up the entire swimming pool, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you all understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
या फिर नींद आ रहा
Yes.
है या फिर तुम लोग
Yes.
कहीं माउंट एवरेस्ट में हो अभी? Anything like that? No, right? Okay. Okay.
No.
Now, I am going to ask a question to each one of you. Okay. This is triangle ABC. This is rectangle ABCD. This is square ABQR. Okay. Suppose I have to make a playground here in ABRQ. Okay. So I will make one football ground over here. यहाँ पे goal post रहेगा. I'll make a cricket pitch over here.
Wow, it looks like a football stadium.
Quiet. Cricket pitch over here, and then I'll make a basketball ground over here. But I want to put a fence around the entire ground. I want to put a fence around the entire ground. One side of this ground is 10 meters. Okay. And this is a square ground. Subhan, can you tell me what will be the measure of this entire thing? What amount of fencing will I need to put?
40 meters. 40 meters.
40 meters of, are you Subhan? So you will need 40-meter fencing over here, correct? Got it? Okay. Vihan, this is a farming garden I'm planning, a triangular garden park. Okay, I am planning a triangular park. Okay. All sides, this is an equilateral triangle. If this is an equilateral triangle, Vihan, am I talking to you? Yes. Then why are you not listening to me and looking somewhere else?
Okay.
This is an equilateral triangle. If this is an equilateral triangle and this side is 10 meters, what is the measure of the other two sides? Vihan, if this is an equilateral triangle and the measure of
10 meters.
the other two sides will also be 10 meters?
Yeah.
Okay. So Vihan, if I need to put a fencing around this entire path, okay, how many meters of fencing will I need?
30 centimeters.
30 meters. Ranveer, this question is to you. This is a swimming pool and I want to put up lightings around the swimming pool. Okay. Now, the length of the swimming pool is 20 meters and the breadth is 10 meters. What will be the total distance of total length of lighting that I will need here?
60 meters.
60 meters. Good. So now I think you all have understood the logic behind perimeter. Okay. Basic perimeter of a triangle, equilateral triangle, square and rectangle. Understood? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I have this question is going to Subhan. This question is going to Subhan. I have a rectangular table. I need to put a border along the table. The table is 6 feet by 4 feet. What will be the length of the border that I will need? Can you please tell me? Subhan, can you please tell me what will be the length of the border that I will need?
20 feet. 20 feet.
Okay, very good, very good. Now here, Subhan, you said the total border I will need is 20 feet, correct? Okay. Now I have to go to the shop and buy this. मुझे अभी 20 feet का border खरीदना पड़ेगा, correct? Okay. Ranveer said straight. मुझे अभी 20 feet का border खरीदना पड़ेगा, correct? अगर 1 feet के border का cost 2 rupees है, तो 20 feet का कितना रहेगा?
40 rupees.
Thank you. That was good. Okay. All right. Now, the same sum has two things for you to solve. Are you understanding? Yes? You didn't only have to find the perimeter. Now, this is a practical example. कि मुझे तो इस टेबल में बॉर्डर लगाना है. अब बॉर्डर लगाना है तो कितना मुझे सामान खरीदना पड़ेगा? पहले we find how much सामान we have to buy. Then we try to understand कि सामान के 1 यूनिट का ये कॉस्ट है, तो टोटल यूनिट ऑफ सामान का कितना कॉस्ट आएगा? करेक्ट? समझ में आया? समझ में आया? Okay, now I'm going to erase.
Yes.
I'm looking to erase this. Now, listen carefully. Okay? Devendra sir has to walk from his home to the school. Okay? He has to come walking. All right? Got it? He has to come walking. The distance from home to school is 4 kilometers. Okay? Distance from home to school is 4 kilometers. Yes, Subhan?
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes.
That you have not written point A and B.
So I've written no. Here लिखा है ना मैंने. Home to school. मैं point को point के हिसाब से नाम नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है home, यहाँ पे लिखा है school. पॉइंट यहाँ पे जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है वो होम है. नाउ सी, इन अ प्रैक्टिकल सिचुएशन, मतलब रियल लाइफ के सिचुएशन में तुमको A एंड B मिलेगा क्या? नहीं ना. अभी तुम
नहीं.
अपने टेबल के बॉर्डर को मेजर करने वाले हो तो उसमें ABCD लिखा रहेगा क्या? नहीं ना. ABCD is given,
नहीं.
so in the sum it is easy for you to understand. Okay. Real practical life examples में ABCD नहीं रहेगा. Good question. So he has to walk from home to school. कितना distance चलना है उनको?
Kilometers.
4 kilometers.
4 kilometers.
20 kilometers.
He has to walk from home to school 4 kilometers.
4 kilometers.
Okay. Now, to cover 1 kilometer, he covers 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. Okay. He covers 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. How much time will it take to cover 4 kilometers?
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Very good.
40 minutes.
Straight multiplication, right? Now we have done this in our entire first term. Please Ranveer, don't bite your nails. 1 का वैल्यू दिया है, many का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, तो सिंपल स्ट्रेट मल्टीप्लाई. करेक्ट? नाउ
Yes.
ये लॉजिक समझ में आया कि सर को यहां से यहां तक चलना है?
हाँ.
ये लॉजिक समझ में आया?
हाँ.
इतना टाइम लग रहा है, इतना
हाँ.
डिस्टेंस, ये समझ में आया? नाउ
हाँ.
think and answer. Okay, think and answer. Sir Devendra sir is starting from his home. Okay, this is his home starting point. He is starting from his home. Okay, to reach the school. Okay, he has reached the school here. What was his distance? 4 kilometers, no? From home to school, right?
Yes.
Now, sir के घर में सब्जी भी चाहिए खाना पीना बनाने के लिए, right? तो जो सब्जी मार्केट है, okay, जो सब्जी मंडी है, जो मार्केट है, वो स्कूल के लाइन में इधर आता है. और ये डिस्टेंस है 2 kilometers. Listen to me carefully. He has to travel from home to school in 4 kilometers. स्कूल के बाद उनको जाना है मार्केट में, जाके सब्जी भी लेना है, और ये 2 किलोमीटर्स है. यहां से सब्जी लेके उन्होंने सोचा मैं थोड़ा सा फिश मार्केट को भी जाता हूं. ओके, फिश मार्केट इधर है, ये डिस्टेंस है 1 किलोमीटर. Okay, from school we had to go to the sabji market, vegetable market, 2 kilometers. From the vegetable market he has to go to the fish market, which is 1 kilometer. Okay, then he thought, उफ, बहुत शॉपिंग कर लिया भाई, मैं जरा रुक के चाय पीता हूँ. Okay, so he decided to stop at this tea stall. ओके, बहुत अच्छा चाय मिलता है वहां पे, येवलेवाड़ी चाय. क्या है वो? कुछ चाय है ना, ऐसा सब. हाँ, सो ही गोज टू चाहा शॉप. दैट इज अनदर 1 किलोमीटर. देन ही सेज चलो भाई बस हो गया, अब मैं सीधे घर जाता हूँ. एंड दिस डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द टी स्टॉल टू हिज हाउस इज 3 kilometers. Subhan, can you tell me what is the distance he covered? Subhan, on day 1, what is the distance that sir covered?
11 kilometers.
7 kilometers.
Okay. So on day 1, if sir has to do this entire round business, स्कूल से घर से स्कूल जाओ, वहां से सब्जी कर दो, फिर फिश कर दो, फिर चाय पियो, फिर घर पे आओ. Okay, how much distance did he cover? 11 kilometers. Wow, sir सही में चलते हैं बहुत, इसलिए fit है. That's why he's your PT coach. He's so fit. He's walked 11 kilometers in a day. Suppose he has to repeat the same drill next day. Day 2 को how
Ma'am,
many
22
kilometers?
kilometers. 22 kilometers.
Listen. Now you're assuming. I did not ask how much did he cover total in 2 days. I asked you on day 2 also if he has to do the same drill. How many kilometers will he travel?
11 kilometers.
बच्चों लैंग्वेज को सुनो ठीक से. Listen to the question clearly. Okay. Now can you tell me total how many kilometers did he cover in 2 days?
22.
22 kilometers.
22.
Understood?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, one more
Yes.
question like this with practical example. Okay. Now, एक साड़ी जो होता है ना, typically one sari, okay? A sari is usually 6 meters long, okay? Almost all saris that you will see, no? सारे saris जो मम्मी पहनती है ना, या दादी पहनती है, नानी पहनती है, आंटीज पहनते हैं, saris are usually 6 meters long, okay? तो साड़ी कैसे होता है?
I did, ma'am.
If it is 6 meters long, साड़ी ऐसे रहेगा, right? 6 meters. हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes.
खुला हुआ
हाँ.
साड़ी रहेगा तो ऐसे ही रहेगा ना 6 meters. इसको हम
Yes.
शायद से रख लेते हैं, चलो 2 meters. Okay? ये यहाँ पे है 2 meters. All right? A sari which is 6 meters long and 2 meters broad. Okay? 6 meters long and 2 meters broad. इस साड़ी में मुझे सिर्फ नीचे के बॉर्डर में एक लेस लगाना है. सुभान रुक जाओ. इस साड़ी में मुझे सिर्फ नीचे के बॉर्डर में लेस लगाना है. I want to attach a lace only at the lower border. How much of that border do I need to buy?
And 6 meters.
6 meters, correct. Yes, Subhan, what's your question?
I was saying that if we would keep this breadth as 3 meter, it will be 5.
Why? 3 meters ऊंचा साड़ी नहीं होता है. 3 meters इतना ऊंचा साड़ी नहीं होता है. मेरे हाइट में भी तो फिट आना चाहिए ना. मुझे पूरा फेस तक कवर करेगा तो मैं कितना उसको अंदर टक इन करूंगी. सोचो टक इन करूंगी तो वापस अंदर के साइड से नीचे तक आएगा मेरे पैर तक. Okay, so this will usually be 2 meters. Okay, so come back to the question. If I have to put a lace border only at the base of the sari, how many meters of that border do I need?
6 meter.
6 meter.
6 meters. Now, my cousin came over.
6 meters.
Okay, my cousin came over and she loved this idea कि साड़ी लो और उसमें नीचे में लेस का बॉर्डर लगा दो. उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा ये आइडिया. तो उसने क्या किया? उसने बोला कि मुझे सिर्फ नीचे में लेस नहीं चाहिए, मुझे पूरा चारों तरफ लेस चाहिए. I want the lace on all 4 sides. She wanted to put the lace on all 4 sides.
Ma'am.
So what will she do? How much of this? How much of this
16
lace does she
meter.
need to?
16 meters. 16. 1 6. 16.
Now, do you understand the relevance of learning perimeter?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, do you understand the relevance of learning perimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do we learn
Yes.
perimeter? Because we need to apply it for these kind of practical situations. You might want to put a border to some outfit. You might, Subhan, look up. Why, baby? Why do I have to say this to you every day, every class? What is so interesting under the table? Okay. You might have to put some lighting along your balcony border or along the swimming pool border. You might want to buy a tablecloth based on which you need to do something. Then you might want to travel from one place to another place to another, and know the total distance. How much distance am I going to cover today if I'm going to walk from home to school, school to market, market to fish market to tea stall back home? कितना distance cover करूंगा मैं? ये सब हम कैसे find out करते हैं? When we figure out the
11.
perimeter.
11.
When we figure out 11.
No, very
When we figure out 11 means what, Subhan?
Answer.
When we figure out the perimeter. Okay. Now, one last question for the day. Okay. I'm just going to draw it over here and ask you to think and solve it, and then we'll be taking a break today. Okay. Now, you all know Usain Bolt?
Yep.
You all know Usain
Yes.
Bolt? Okay.
My
So
God.
I'm going to call him UB.
Yummy.
Okay, I'm going to call him UB, Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt takes 10 rounds of a rectangular park. Rectangular park बोला तो सीधा rectangle draw करूंगी, correct?
10 rounds.
Subhan, really, do you need to just do all these things right now? Then you will start telling, समझ में नहीं आया, please tell me again. Then you will raise your hand, again some question. Why are you touching the phone when class is going on? Okay. Usain Bolt is going to jog around this rectangular park.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Bolt is a-
Now rectangular park का distance is 50 meters by 25 meters. Obviously, if I say 50 meters, it will be length and 25 will be breadth. ये 25 और ये 50 तो नहीं होगा ना? Yes or no? 50, 25. Okay. Now, Usain Bolt is going to run this 10 times. Usain Bolt is going to run this distance, this rectangular park, 10 times. Who can quickly tell me what will be the distance that he will cover if he ran it 10 times? Quickly.
meters.
450 meters. 450 meters.
750
No.
meters.
750 meters.
Vihan, you're not calculating. You're just repeating what somebody is telling. You want to answer, Vihan, you have to calculate. Think, children, come on. The sum is over here, not under the table. It is over here. Look here and solve it. Usain Bolt has to run.
750
This-
meter, ma'am.
I already said that answer is wrong. I already said that answer is wrong.
I'm wait and calculating, please.
This should be done fatafat.
Ma'am, 2,500.
2,500.
Yes.
Vihan,
Yes.
please stop repeating everybody's answers.
And perimeter is 250, so 250 into 10, 2,500.
Ranveer, the perimeter is 250.
Yes.
Perimeter is 250. Subhan, what is the perimeter?
250 meters.
Seven.
Subhan, tell me what is the perimeter? इधर देख के बताओ मेरे भाई, what is the perimeter? Look here and tell me.
Ma'am, 150.
Thank you. It is 150. How did you?
1500.
Correct. How did you say?
1500.
See, the basic mistake you did was calculating the perimeter wrong. How did you all do that? Subhan, what is the perimeter?
150 meter.
How?
50 plus 50 is equals to 100. 25 plus 25 is equals to 50.
Thank you. तो फिर तुमने ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया? अब इसको
I thought 10
distance-
rounds को calculate कर.
तो पहले 1 राउंड निकालोगे, उसके बाद 10 निकालोगे ना. अब 10 राउंड्स कितना होगा? 150
750 meters.
फिर से तुम 750 में अटक रहे हो. This is the
750
third time I'm telling you 750 is wrong. 150 को 10 times करोगे तो क्या आएगा? What is 150 into 10?
500.
150 into 10 is 500. Okay, what is 15 into 10?
No.
15 into 10.
150.
So 150 into 10 क्या है? So what is 150 into 10?
$151 meter.
Fantastic. 150 into 10 क्या है?
हाँ, चलो अभी 0. $150. No.
No, you take your time. Subhan.
Yes.
What is this?
150.
How did you get 150? You put the 0 here, 15 ones are 15, right? What will be the answer for this?
1,500.
Thank you. So Usain Bolt को अगर ये पूरा distance 10 बार करना है, तो what will be the answer?
1 kilometer, 500 meters.
पहले तो तुम जो उसमें है उसमें दे दो, जो यूनिट दिया है उसमें आंसर दे दो, फिर उसका कन्वर्जन करो. फिलहाल कन्वर्जन बोला नहीं है. Okay. So today what we have done, wait Vihan, today what we have done, we have covered few more sums in your checkpoint 15.2. Okay. So in your home assignment, I'll be giving those sums as homework. All right. Got it? Yes, no, maybe
Yes.
so. Got it or no?
Yeah.
Did we understand
Yes.
what we did today? Did we understand
Yes.
what we did today? Have you definitely
Yes.
understood what we did today? Ranveer,
Yes.
have we definitely understood what we did today?
Yes.
Ranveer, have you definitely understood what we did today, or you're still upset with what's going on around? Vihan, have you understood what we did today?
Yes.
Chalo, let's take a break.